it's me again, and I just wanted to jump on to talk to you about a product that I've been using myself for the last few months. It's called the Mattress Mate Slip-On Mattress Protector. Now I know mattress protectors aren't that exciting, but hear me out because this one is actually quite different. It's a quilted strap-on style protection. It's super comfy, really easy to use, and quite frankly, it ticks all the boxes for me. So whether like me, you have a family who suffer from allergies, or you just want to protect your mattress from all of the things that life throws at it, like animals, kids, spillages, sweat, then this does the job. And it's also much more cost effective than a standard mattress protector that you'll find in a retail store. And you're in luck because today is sheet changing day. So I am going to show you just how easy it is to install the Mattress Mate Slip-On Mattress Protector. First, we're going to install our mattress encasement. And honestly, there's nothing else on the market that's designed quite like this. The Mattress Mate was designed for two big reasons. Firstly, you can pop it over your mattress encasement so you don't have to keep taking the encasement off to wash it all the time, saving you heaps of time and effort. Without something like this, all the dust, allergens, and even dust mites can build up on the top of the encasement, not to mention sweat or the occasional spill. Normally that means you'd be stripping the whole thing and throwing it in the wash constantly. With one of these, you just whip the Mattress Mate off, toss it in with your sheets, and it's done. Way easier, and your mattress encasement stays clean with no allergen buildup on it. Secondly, it's actually made from some really clever material. The top layer is 100% Akeotex cotton, making it my fabric of choice to sleep on. In the middle of this is a soft, comfy filling, and the rear surface is waterproof TPU lining. Here's the clever part. The pores in the fabric are teeny tiny, less than 2.8 microns in size. Most allergen particles are between 5 and 20 microns. So these, along with much bigger dust mites, can't get into the filling. The biggest thing for me is that I get all the allergy protection I need without the headache of removing my mattress encasement to wash them. Oh, and fitting it? Super easy. You literally just slip it over the mattress like this, and the wide elastic straps keep it snug all night. It won't budge, and it's perfect for bed shoved into the corner where you can't get to both sides easily. Liquid spills? Well, check this out. And that's pretty much it. It's simple, it works, and it saves me a ton of time. These are available in every size, so there really is no excuse not to have one installed on your mattress. If you have a mattress encasement already on your bed, then the Mattress Mate Mattress Slip-On Protector is an absolute must. And even if you haven't yet got a mattress encasement on your bed, then I would still absolutely be picking one of these up.